Sending a PDF via email on an Android phone is a simple and useful skill that allows you to quickly share important documents such as resumes, assignments, reports, invoices, or forms with anyone. If you are a beginner, don't worry, the process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. First of all, open the Gmail applications. Make sure you are signed into your Google account and have a stable internet connection. Once the app is open, tap the Compose button, which is represented by a pencil icon usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open a new email message. Next, enter the recipient's email address in the To field. Double check the address to ensure the email reaches the correct person. After that, type a clear and relevant subject line such as Project Report PDF or Resume Submission, so the recipient immediately understands the purpose of your email. Now, tap the paperclip icon located in the top right corner of the Gmail screen. This icon is used to add attachments to your email. From the menu that appears, select Attach File. Your phone's file manager will open, allowing you to browse through your folders and stored documents. Locate the PDF file you want to send and tap on it. Gmail will automatically upload and attach the document to your email. Before sending, you may also write a short message in the body of the email. For example, you can introduce yourself or explain why you are sending the document. This adds a professional and personal touch. Finally, tap the Send button, represented by a paper airplane icon. Your PDF will be delivered to the recipient's inbox. Congratulations, you have successfully sent a PDF via email using your Android phone.